All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our marketing analysis for January 2nd for Friday. Right, so there's really nothing going on today. On Friday. As you can see, there's really no major news. Okay, so let's get into marketing analysis, starting with DXY. Right, so initially we start with the daily, as for me, right? High, low, high, low, high. You got break, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. And then we have this here. Okay. So we gonna mark this out, right, as the imbalance. Okay. And then we're gonna go down to the 4 hour, looking at structure. Lower low, lower high, lower low, broke structure, actually broke structure, and then a broke structure again. So we might get some type of distribution out of here. So let's take a look at the 1 hour. IPAs, except for down here. Okay. Looking here, right? Last thing we got was there. This 15-minute break of structure. Right. So we do have, take a look at 30-minute here. We do have an imbalance. So we have this big gap that can get filled. And then we also have this imbalance. So potentially, are you going to be looking for some type of distribution out of there, out of these areas? So I'm gonna mark it, my alert, do alerts, and that's what we got there. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. Now it's the same thing. So if DXY is going to be distributing, right? And honestly, the target would be to this imbalance here, or possibly to a new low. But if it's distributing, right, that means euro is going to be what? Going up, right? So we're going to remove all this. Same thing, right? Daily, right? Higher high, break, and then break a structure at this high, this low. Okay, this high, this low. So we're bullish. You can see down here, it reaccumulated down here, boom, boom, and it boosts. So we're expecting price to continue on up for a new high, right? So if you look at the 4 hour here, right, same thing. Higher high, break, right? Lower low, lower high, break. Okay, so we got some nice area right here. It's reacting off of this. Oh, let's go back. It's reacting off of this area. So we got the 1 hour. There's really no IPAs or any intrinsic areas besides the area that I marked out. As you can see, we got a 15-minute break, clean. So like I said, I'll be looking in this area for reaccumulation, right? So we'll wait and see for that area there. Okay, so that's what we got for Euro. GJ, right? There's 48 drawings. Why? Honestly, I don't need these drawings anymore. I like to look at back my history. Oh, actually, let's do something else. Let's go to forex.com. Okay. All right. So daily, right? Daily's bullish. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay. We got this huge imbalance down here. I'm expecting some type of distribution down here to reaccumulate. We have this higher high, higher low, higher high. You know what? Nope. Higher high, higher low, higher high. So we're very bullish right here. 1 hour, well, for the 4 hour, I don't see no targets, IPAs. 1 hour, I don't see any IPAs besides down here. But let's take a look at the 15. So you gotta look left to get right. Okay. 1, 2, break, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then it broke, higher high, higher low, high, low. Then it broke here, lower low, lower high. Let's take a look closer. Yep, lower low, lower high, and then went lower low. Wait. What are we talking about? Lower low, lower high, and then lower low, lower high, and it finally broke structure right here. Now, that probably don't make no sense, so let me clear it up. Okay, probably confused about the structure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, wait, 4. So this, and then you got this here, okay, and then guess what happens? Break. So we got this structure here, right? You go in closer, and this breaks, right? Boom. It doesn't break below this. So what you got? Retracement here. I don't think it broke below that. Oh, it did. You got this here. Okay, I'm sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it just reaccumulated out of here. Broke structure reaccumulated out of this area. So currently it's reaccumulating. Let's erase all this. So currently we got this nice structure here. It did give a little mark area, but price is distributing out of here. Let's see, which it looks clean to me. I'll be looking for distribution anyway. I wanted to see it come down here, reaccumulate, and go up for a new high. But that 5-minute looks nice, but the only thing is that we have no interest here. Okay, guys. So looking at this, the only one I don't see anything besides this IPA that already got mitigated out of. But it is a signal. It's a nice signal. I would take this 1 and 4. Right? It could potentially reaccumulate out of here. So I'd be wary of that. So yeah. Go. Let's erase all this. Bullish SL 1, 2, 3. Right? Nothing here. Then you have the 4 hour. Oh well, really. Yeah, nothing there. Okay. Then you have the 4 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So nothing here besides this huge IPA that I'm interested in. And then you have the 1 hour. Oh, wait, yep, still bearish. All right. And then you have the 1 hour, nothing there. 15-minute, nothing there. So really, I mean, I guess you can call this area of interest for the huge order block that caused it. Okay, so if it distributes out here because this is lower low, lower high, right? If price gives that, this 3 candles, yeah. Price breaks below this, then we might got something for a go. If it distributes out of here, I'll take it. All right, next and last, but nothing but the last. Right, higher high, low, higher high, break, came back in here, out of this imbalance, distributed, and then came back up to here. Take a look at 4 hour, right? It broke the structure right there. Boom, boom, came up, accumulated, and accumulated until right here, boom, and then broke, I don't know what the heck was going on here, but it went higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. It broke and then accumulated right there. So we got higher high, higher low, broke structure right here, right? So now we looking for a bearish action. Now anything on the hour, I don't really see anything. 15. Oh yeah, here we go. So price comes in here, give a nice 5-minute, 1-minute distro right out of this area, then I'll be interested in taking that short. Yeah, so that is my market analysis, and yeah, let's see what happens. See if it plays out. Let's see if it works out. Not, then it's okay. Okay. All right. I will see you guys next time. Peace.